animal breeding or animal husbandry part 3. That's in chapter strategies in enhancement of food products. This is animal breeding or animal husbandry part 3. First, beekeeping. What is another term used for beekeeping? Another term used for beekeeping is apiculture. So, beekeeping is also called apiculture. Now, coming to the definition of beekeeping. Beekeeping is maintenance and management of beehives for production of honey. Products obtained from beekeeping are, as you can see, first one is honey. Along with the honey, bees also produces bee waxes. Now, importance of honey. First one, importance honey. Number 1 is honey have high nutritional value, means it's rich in nutrition. Number 2, also used in various medicines. It has medicinal use as well. Now coming to second one, that is bee wax. Bee wax. Used in various cosmetic products. And number 2, in different types of paints as well. Now coming to scientific name of common species of bee, that is Apis indica. Along with Apis indica, several other species of bee are also used in beekeeping. Now, successful beekeeping can be done by following. First one, knowledge of the nature and habits of bees. Second point, selection of proper location for beehives. Then third one, knowledge about different seasons along with the beehives, means what are the changes occur in the beehives during different seasons. Then fourth one, handling, so that I'll write, handling and collection of honey and of bee wax. Bees are also important agents of pollination. So, means they pollinate different types of plants. For example, brassica, then different crops, etc. So, during the flowering season, beehives can be kept near the plants or in the fields, so that the number of pollination and successful pollination increase. Fourth point, management of beehives during different seasons. Management of beehives in all 6 seasons, or in all the seasons. So as I told, bees are important agents of pollination. So and they pollinate different types of plants like brassica, sunflower, different other plants. So in the flowering season, if beehives are kept in the field or near the plants, then the rate of pollination, successful pollination, will increase. Now coming to the next one, that is fisheries. First definition. Fisheries is the processes including catching, processing and selling of fish and other fish products and other aquatic products. Fish products and other aquatic animals and animal products. Now common freshwater fishes which include are katla, rohu and other common carp. Now common marine fishes include hilsa, mackerel, pomfret, etc. Now other aquatic animals which are also used as food include crab, lobster, prawn, edible oyster, etc. Now many people, means most of the people in this world greatly depend on fish products and other aquatic animals as food. So it's fishery. So fishing or selling fishes and other aquatic animals is a huge business. So to increase this business, or just to increase the success or profit of this business, several techniques are used. These techniques involve use of aquaculture and pisciculture. So the fishermen depends on the fishes. Their survival depends on the fishes and other products, and a large chain of So India is rich in water bodies. So growing fishes also, and how to increase the product in fisheries is taught or is done. It can be the knowledge can be obtained using aquaculture and pisciculture. And using, as I told, that pisciculture and aquaculture led to development and flourishment of the fishery industry, and increase the income of the fishermen.